So let's see here. Where is my comment? Or where? Let me see here. This guy said, "You will never see this on the news. We better wake up." And this person, who's probably a bot, said, "Yes, we won't see it on the news. Just the internet. LOL. Who knows what this man has had? I've had 2 crap shots done, and I'm perfectly fine." I said, does the fact or hopeful assumption that you're perfectly fine now mean that you weren't potentially negatively affected by it? Is the possibility of down the road potentially severe long-term side effects or even disease not something you consider a strong possibility of concern? Reasonable question, if I may say so. Where is the comment that, wow, it's gone now? Really? So let's talk about graphene, a key ingredient in the Schultz. On a molecular level, it is a single layer of carbon atoms arranged in 2-dimensional honeycomb lattice. Each honeycomb consists of 6 carbon atoms. A carbon is number 6, because 6 protons, 6 neutrons, 6 electrons. You literally cannot get any more 6s out of a chemistry set than you can with graphene. Mark of the beast? I think so. Interesting point. If that is true. Carbon. Living things are made of carbon. Man's number. Carbon unit. There's lots of 666s in your post. What is this? Guess. Man created a periodic table. It's a trick. Okay, maybe. You never know. Yeah, this sounds a little more reasonable. Man didn't create the periodic table so much as man discovered it. We didn't decide to have the essential building block of organic life forms to have 6. Universe or chance or God is that whatever you want. Okay, but anyway, so this is not the post that I commented on, but I let me just see. No fear porn. Graphing isn't the. Why make stuff up? Yeah, really. Tell us. Okay. So, yeah, I mean, you never know. It could all be fear porn. It could all be more, fear porn. But, I mean, regardless, if there is graphene or not graphene, I mean, still not getting it. I mean, oh, man, you couldn't pay me. I mean, I'm trying to think of a figure, and I just can't. That it would take to pay me to, sell my soul. Better give it over. For what? So I can be included in the cult? I mean, really. I'm good. I'm good on the Jim Jones juice. Jim Jones dab. I'm alright. I'm alright. But yeah, let me leave a comment here. Let's see if it can stay up. Let's see here. Go down to my comment. Read it off here. Have you seen videos where they are making graphene react to music and magnets? Zoinks. That may be true, but You must watch the final. You should watch whatever they make. Carbon is the main component of sugars, proteins, fats, DNA, muscle tissue, pretty much everything in your body. The number of man is 666. That means the mark will be man-made, not that 666 is an evil number. LOL, you try, dude. Then divide 6 by 2. Alright. This guy. Stop being delusional. Who gives a fuck about number combinations? Man, I'd love to see freaking Zachary Hubbard tear that guy a new booty hole. Alright, I think I'm just gonna go down my comment. Oh, wait. Graphene is not in the shot. It's like saying all lives matter. Well, then pigs matter, cows matter, chickens matter, right? What is this person on? Or is it all human lives matter? Don't be a hypocrite or to your own protest. I mean, if you can do that, what else are you capable of? I don't even want to go back to see what comment they're referring to. This is just, I'm wasting my time here. I might as well just go to my comment. This person claims that the shot isn't the mark. Yeah, I mean, I'd say that's unlikely. But it's part of it. The mark is a series of things. It isn't one. I don't think it is one thing. Potentially the mark on the wrist, mark on the arm, mark on the forehead. It could be. Some people say there's so many ways to see it, but the phone that we hold in our hands, right? The scrying black mirror. The only thing people lying are like Fauci. He's up to his neck in all these lies. I mean, all the time people. So anyway, let me just go down here to my comments. I can already tell you know nothing about it. It's graphene, not graphing. And yes, if you look on the FDA website, you'll see it's made with graphene. Go do your research instead of listening to media. There you go. You need to do your research. He wasn't called 2,000 years ago. If you know anything at all, you would know his name was Yeshua. Well, I don't know if that's true either, but hey. Yeshua HaMashiach? Maybe. Maybe it's Emmanuel. I don't know. Maybe it's Jose. Maybe it's Jim. Maybe it's nothing with a J, since J is supposedly only, a couple hundred years old or whatever. This is just setting the stage. Alright, I'm going to go down to my comment, like I said 7 times. This guy said, oh my God, I'm done. Enjoy your wealth, get your boosters, and live in happiness for the little time which is left for you on this planet. Good Lord. So I said, in case you were sheeping and sleeping, we are at war. It has always been about the temple. The human body, mind, spirit. That should be blatantly obvious to anyone paying attention with the eyes to see and ears to hear. We are in the middle of the 4th Industrial Revolution, the 4th Turning, the 4th Reich, Agenda 21, 2030, the Great Reset. This 4th time around, they want full control of the human avatar, the mind-body experience. Their newer motto is, you will have nothing and be happy. Huh? Intimacy and hugs and kisses will be outlawed for your and our safety and the greater good. Brought to you by the ungodly Nazis at the UN and similar power elite groups and secret societies and all of their connected tentacles. NGOs, alphabet agencies, megacorps and conglomerates, etc. As you can see, I got the UN flag, the China flag, the Vatican flag, the Caduceus in the middle, the UK and the USA and the Australia flags all there. All big players. Everyone's playing in this agenda, though. This is worldwide. But hey, good news. By their standard, I'm just a fringe anti-vex conspiracy theorist. Right-wing, too. And science denier. Oh, yeah, and a terrorist. So, what the do I know, right? Hashtag COVIDiocracy. And CV1984. You know, I try not to say the CV word because I know it gets the algorithm. Whoa, it let me like my comment, which might mean that it's still there when I refresh? No, it couldn't possibly be. It couldn't possibly be. Let's see here. I will be very surprised if that comment is still there. Truly. Truly, truly, I say unto you that I am very surprised it is still there. Now, the question is, again, can other people see my comment? Can you see this comment? On Zay Righteous Warrior's short called Another Collapse? Can you see it? Please let me know. I would really, really like to know. And wow, this video is going to be 11 minutes and 44 seconds like the last one.